So we are talking about vortex breakers. In first section we talked about various definitions, various types, their application, and we compared the types also. In this section we are talking about the applications of vortex breakers. In previous section we talked about the literature part. We try to understand where these vortex breakers are generally used. In this section we'll look at a few of the multiple choice questions related to applications of vortex breakers. So first one, as we talked about in last section also, the control system, process control systems, where we generally use the vortex breakers. So let us see what kind of questions are there. Where are vortex breakers commonly applied in process control systems? Whether it is air handling units, flow meters, cooling towers, or reservoirs and intake pipes. Although we know we can utilize the uh, vortex breaker in all these four sections, but when we are talking about the control system, I'm sure this should be the right answer. Yes, this is the right answer, and let us see what is the explanation. Vortex breakers are commonly applied in flow meters, control valves, and reactor section within process control systems. Why we use it? Just to increase the accuracy and to improve the mixing efficiency. So this is how the control system, process control systems are utilizing the vortex breakers. Now let us talk about how the vortex breakers are utilized in cooling systems. Let us look at the questions first. What is one of the benefits of using vortex breakers in industrial cooling systems? Whether it reduces the energy consumption, improved airflow, increased water flow to firehouses, or prolonged equipment lifespan. Although most of the things looks uh, correct, but the right answer must be reduced energy consumption when we are utilizing in the common uh, cooling systems. So let us see, the right answer is this, reduced energy consumption. Let us look at the explanation. Using vortex breaker in industry cooling can lead to reduced energy consumption, right? So this is one of the reasons. It also enhances the heat efficiency of the overall system and prolonged lifespan. So most of the answers are correct, but the exact answer, if we talk about one out of these four, then that is reducing the energy consumption. Similarly, if you talk about water system, where again the vortex breakers are utilized, where are vortex breakers applied in water treatment systems? We know there will be air handling units, reservoirs, intake pipes, cooling towers, filtration systems. So I'm sure in water treatment system there must be filtration systems which are helped by vortex breakers. Let us see. Vortex breakers are applied in water treatment, especially in reservoirs, intake pipes, and filtration systems. Although these are utilized just to improve the water quality and pump efficiency. So most of the answers are correct, but if we have to choose one of the best answer out of these four, then this will be the answer. Now, oil and gas production, application of vortex. In oil and gas sector, how we are utilizing the vortex breakers. What benefits can be derived from using vortex breakers in oil and gas? An increased production rate, enhanced heat transfer, improved mixing, reduced risk of contamination. Now, suppose we choose this option. Okay, this is the wrong answer, and correct answer is increased production rate. When we are utilizing in oil and gas, which can lead to increased production rate, reduced equipment wear, and improved safety, right? So what we are trying to say is, once we start using vortex breakers with improved safety and lesser wear and tear, we can have the increased production. So similarly, there are three more questions. I would recommend you to go to this link and answer these questions also. So thank you for watching this section. See you in the next part.